Hey there friends, today I want to take you on a journey. Not just to meet a fish, but a full-blown character of the sea. I'm talking about Amberjack. The name might sound plain, but the story behind this fish, its raw strength, and its refined place in the kitchen, it's something else entirely. And yes, believe it or not, this wild ocean warrior has a famous fan, Johnny Depp himself. But before we get to that, let's dive into the deep, literally. Amberjack lives in the western Atlantic Ocean, from the Gulf of Mexico to the Bahamas, down along Florida, and into the Caribbean. It prefers rocky bottoms and sunken wrecks, swimming solo, fast and fearless. Its body is lean, muscular, built like a torpedo. It doesn't chase prey. It waits, calculates, then strikes with explosive force. That's why Amberjack is a favorite among sport fishers. To them, it's not just a fish, it's a challenge. Reeling in an Amberjack isn't fishing, it's a fight. Fishermen call it the reef donkey, because when it hooks, it pulls like a stubborn beast from the deep. You'll need strong gear and a stronger grip. The most common methods: deep drop bait fishing and vertical jigging with live bait, sardines, small tuna, even squid. But make no mistake, when it strikes, your reel screams and your adrenaline spikes. And now, let's bring Johnny Depp into this tale. During a film shoot in the Caribbean, Depp found himself on a quiet beach in the Bahamas. A fresh-caught amberjack was brought in by a local fisherman. A small coastal chef grilled it over open fire. Nothing fancy, just sea salt, lime and a few sprigs of rosemary. Depp took one bite, looked up and said, "This doesn't try to impress, it's just real, wild, bold and free." That quote? It made its rounds among locals, and if you think about it, it makes perfect sense. Depp is a man of few but precise words. He's not about flash, he's about authenticity, and that's exactly what Amberjack tastes like. So how does it cook? Amberjack has firm white flesh. It holds together beautifully. It's not too oily, but has enough richness to stand out. It's excellent grilled, roasted, pan-seared, or even eaten raw in sashimi form. If you're roasting it whole, 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes will do. You don't need much. Just olive oil, garlic, lime, maybe some thyme. Let the fish speak for itself. Want to elevate it? Sear the fillets over high heat. Then deglaze with white wine and garlic. You'll get a crisp outside, buttery inside. Some chefs call this cut the ocean steak. One bite and you'll understand why. Now let's talk pairing. A barrel-aged Chardonnay is a safe, classic bet. But if you want to channel that Johnny Depp flair, go for spiced dark rum. Think cinnamon, vanilla and that slow burn. It turns dinner into a story. On the side, arugula mango salsa, lime marinated avocado, or even coconut-simmered carrots add just the right contrast of brightness and depth. In coastal folklore, Amberjack is known as the one that gets away. Why? Because it's strong, solitary and free, the kind of fish that doesn't show up unless you've earned the encounter. Just like Depp said, it doesn't need to try. It just is. And that's the heart of this fish. Not just a catch, not just a dish, but a symbol of raw power, wild elegance, and quiet rebellion. A fish that refuses to be domesticated. That's probably why Johnny Depp fell for it. So what about you? Have you ever tasted Amberjack? Or caught one yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let us know how you prepare it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new uploads. And most importantly, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Your support means a lot to me and keeps me going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.